Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. We're going to jump right in and get this taken care of for you. I'd like to take a moment and introduce myself. My name is MerrittBurdett, your AFLAC agent. I've been with AFLAC since the start of my career in insurance 14 years ago. So I have 14 years of experience with AFLAC. Um, Here is my bio. It's going to be in the email so you can look it over. So you kind of understand me a little bit, know where I'm coming from, know what got me to where I am today. My information's at the bottom. You can contact me anytime. But this is also going to be in the email attached. So let me tell you a little bit about AFLAC. AFLAC is the #1 provider of supplemental insurance. So what is supplemental insurance? Well, it's not like your traditional medical insurance like Blue Cross Blue Shield, Aetna, United Healthcare, things like that. That type of insurance actually pays the doctors and the hospitals. AFLAC is supplemental insurance. Supplemental insurance pays you, the policy holder. Okay, so if you have a policy, and there's going to be a couple of them that we're going to go over today, if you have one of those policies and you're able to file a claim, then AFLAC will actually pay money to you, cash money, okay, that is non-taxable. So that's what supplemental insurance is. AFLAC was actually founded in 1955 in Columbus, Georgia, and that's still where our headquarters is today. So it's right in our backyard here in Georgia. AFLAC has 115 billion with a B dollars in assets, so we're a huge and financially strong company. And we're actually larger than the next 18 companies below us that say they do the same thing that we do in the supplemental business. AFLAC prides itself in one-day pay on claims through direct deposit, as long as you have the proper paperwork uploaded to your MyAFLAC online. Okay, so let me tell you the benefits of having AFLAC other than the coverages and the claims process and everything else that I just explained. For one, it's individually owned. What does that mean? You're getting a group rate, so you're getting a better rate, better price for the policies that you elect to get because it's being offered to a group of employees through payroll. So your company has allowed us to come in and offer these policies to you, and they're going to deduct it from your paycheck, whichever ones that you want, and you don't have to take any if you don't want any, but whichever ones that you do want, you sign off. Your employer takes the money out of your paycheck weekly or bi-weekly or monthly, depending on how you get paid, right? They're going to take the money out of your paycheck. They're going to hold that money for AFLAC, and they're going to pay AFLAC at the end of the month. Okay, so after a couple of checks, you never even really miss it anyway. It's also offered on a pre-tax basis. What does that mean? So if you have $10 worth of AFLAC coming out of your paycheck every week, it's only going to feel like only $7.50 coming out of your paycheck. That's really about the amount that you'll wind up missing. The reason is because you're not paying taxes on that $10, just like health insurance. Okay, we pride ourselves because we've never had a rate increase. Since 1955, AFLAC has never had a rate increase. What they do is every 3, 4, 5 years, they come out with a upgraded policy, and that upgraded policy has more benefits. It pays out more. And if you want to move from one policy and upgrade to the next policy, then you would pay the premium that the new policy cost. If you're fine where you're at and you like your old policy, you just stay with it and keep paying what you're paying, and you can keep that thing till you die. Okay, but AFLAC will never have a rate increase on you. You can never be canceled due to claims. AFLAC wants you to make as many claims as possible as long as your policy covers those claims, right? Of course, they don't want anybody trying to be fraudulent or anything like that. But in other words, if you have an accident policy and you have an accident, file a claim. They are not going to cancel you for filing claims. They have never canceled anybody for filing claims. Now, the other benefit is that you have control. You have the choice of which policy or policies that you would like to have for you and or your family based on what your needs and what your financial situation is. Okay, so you have choice. So this concludes the bio about me and about AFLAC and how AFLAC works. The next video is going to be about the policies.